How well do you know your verses that you recite all the time, and you're confident that you're not going to make any mistakes? My name is Belal. I'm with Quran Flow. I have here Adam Raheem, one of our instructors with Quran Flow. What we're going to be doing here right now is I am going to be reciting the opening verses of Surah Sajdah. I'm familiar with it, and Adam is going to call me out
We're going to try to, but yeah.
on all of the things that I'm going to be fumbling on. So let's get to it. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم تنزيل الكتاب لا ريب فيه من رب العالمين أم يقولون افتراه بل هو الحق من ربك لتنذر قوما ما آتاهم من ناذر من قبلك لعلهم تهتدون الله الذي خلق السماوات.
Verses are good.
Oh, those three verses are good. You had me off in the middle before I could finish it. Are we off
That's
the
less yeah, you're off the screen here for.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
That's great. So beautiful recitation.
All right.
Just very simple, key things that you can work on to really help take your recitation to the next level.
Sure.
The first is, in this first verse, try not to make an extreme pause like that between the alif and the lam. You said alif and you stopped, basically.
Okay.
You said alif, la, because there's actually recitations like that, right? The different versions.
Sure. Like you're talking about the different qira'at.
Yeah.
The like hafs and
Yeah.
and things like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically it's just on Alif Lam Mim. Where we made a transition between.
Sure.
We didn't make an extreme.
Okay. So I'm almost like separating between the letters.
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
The next one is a very simple, something that's really helps take your recitation, like from someone who studied it and didn't study.
Yeah.
Is the qaf is pronounced beautifully, but the ha seems to have been affected by you anticipating the qaf.
Okay.
You kind of slightly said ha.
Okay.
Right?
So I softened the ha.
And you made the ha heavy. Like,
I made it heavy. Okay.
right? But it should be bel huwa al-ha al-haqqu. Al-haqqu.
What did I say?
Al-ha.
Al-haqqu.
Yeah.
Okay. بل هو الحق من ربك. Okay.
Beautiful. And you ran out of breath here, not a problem.
Well, I ran out of breath and I also was too slow scrolling back.
Yeah, so you ran out of breath on that meme.
And I
so you cut
stopped.
it short. You said ma,
Yeah.
right? If you're gonna stop, it should at least at the minimum, be a 2-count stretch.
So the appropriate recitation for that would be من ربك لتنذر قوما ما آتاهم.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Okay.
But if you due to necessity, right? Because you literally ran out of breath, basically.
Sure,
right?
sure.
You could stop on that mat due to necessity, right? Now we're saying,
Yeah.
but
because
until
of the
come back-
hamza, it would be like a sharp ma.
No,
No?
not at all.
Not at all. Okay.
It'll just be mat. So you ran out of breath just for learning purposes.
Sure,
right?
sure, sure.
بل هو الحق من ربك لتنذر قوما ما. And then you go back لتنذر قوما ما آتاهم من نذير. Right? I'm saying you stop there due to necessity. But this hamza doesn't affect that at all.
Okay.
Right? And the next point is,
I said nadiri.
yeah, you stretch the
I noticed that and I was like, nope, that's not it, but let's keep going.
Yes, keep going. Alhamdulillah. So you want to make sure that you're making a distinction between your basic sound signs, which are your a, e, u,
Yeah.
and then your stretches, like, a, e, u.
Yeah.
So it should sound nazir as opposed to nazir, right? So
Sure.
you stretch the nu and you cut short the zal.
Okay.
But other than that, beautiful recitation, Allah barik.
And these are mistakes I'm probably making just throughout the entire passage. And I'm very familiar with this. So,
Correct.
and if I'm doing that now, imagine for somebody who is relatively fresh.
Yeah, well, the good thing is, right, whether it's a passage you're familiar with or not familiar with, something new, the methodology here at Quran Flow is the same.
Sure.
You should be able to take the concepts that are provided to you and apply it to any verse, any word.
Okay. So here we go, guys. You have it from the roasting of a producer, or from the instructor. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you have any questions, do let me know down in the comments below. I'm not going to answer them. He probably will. And if you ask a weird question, I'll roast you in the comments section as well. Assalamu alaikum, guys.
Make sure to enroll, QuranFlow.org.
Yes. Yeah, exactly what he said.